Okay, I just want to record a quick video to show how my new plugin works. After some glitches with the first release, I've got a version 2 out already that no longer has a problem when you have spaces in your project names or your file names. So go ahead, I'm just going to start a quick project that's with Bootstrap to show you how it works. Go ahead and start this. We're going to add, I guess, the Jumbotron. So now we have our page open. If we look at our, let's go ahead and save this first. And we'll just make a new folder. And save that. And open it as a project. And so right now we're using, if we look in our style sheets, we're using the Bootstrap CSS as well as the customized Jumbotron CSS. And if we look over here in our actual project file and look at the size of the CSS, we can see that right now we're coming in at 197 KB. So what you're going to want to do is once you're done with your project, you've got all your content put together, you're going to want to go to File, Manage Libraries and Plugins. And I've already brought my Purge CSS plugin in. We're going to go ahead and activate that. And then under the page menu, we'll now see Purge Project CSS. Go ahead and click that. Here it's just saying that you can bring in your different style sheets, different HTML sheets, and that they'll be output into a single file and nothing of the original will be touched. Hit yes. Then under this modal, you're going to want to go ahead and choose your HTML file first. And if you have multiple files, you can just select all of them, however you do it for your operating system, either Shift or Command or Control. And it will display them here. You can also, if you choose to, bring a folder of HTML in. Just make sure there's no non-HTML files in the same folder. Then same with CSS. You can either choose multiple files or a folder. So we're going to navigate to that Bootstrap CSS, and then we're going to go ahead and we'll just use the default Purge CSS and we'll save it right at the root of our file. But of course we could save it into any folder we want. And then click Purge it. And now when we update our project, we see we now have this Purge CSS. If we go into our style sheets and we say detach the Bootstrap CSS, we'll see that the styling goes back to looking like this. Reattach this new Purge sheet. We can see the styling looks good once again. And if we look, before our styling was at 197 KB, the new styling of the Purge CSS is just at 15 KB. And this could be made even a little smaller by minifying. And that's it.